Hi, I'm Daniel Martin. I'm a partner at HFW, where I head up the shipping regulatory team and spend almost all of my time advising our clients on sanctions issues. I'm going to take just a couple of minutes of your time to talk about the sanctions issues that are in place and, most importantly, how you keep your business safe in this changing legal landscape. So what do you need to do in order to ensure that your business is compliant with sanctions and you keep your business safe? So really what you have to have in mind is four key issues. And these are the how, the where, the who and the what of sanctions. How is your business organised? Where are you based? What is the nationality of your directors? And the reason that matters is it has an impact on the particular restrictions that apply. It might be European sanctions, it might be US domestic sanctions, but it might also be US sanctions with extraterritorial effect. So you need to understand your own business. Secondly, thinking about the where, you need to know where you are trading, because the risks will vary from one sanctioned country to another, as you can see from this analysis which we've prepared. Under most of the sanctions programs, it's prohibited to deal directly or indirectly with a sanctioned individual or entity. So you need to understand who your counterparties are so you can be sure that they're not sanctioned. Now, the reason this had an impact in a commercial space is because under some of the sanctions programs, these sanctioned entities include traders, they include port operators, they include banks, and they include insurers. So exactly the sorts of commercial organisations that your business will be dealing with on a day-to-day basis. What cargoes are you carrying if you're a ship owner, or what cargoes are you buying and selling as a trading organisation, or indeed insuring as an insurer? And the reason that we need to think about the nature of the cargo is that because under a number of the different sanctions programs, cargoes have been selected and import and export restrictions have been imposed, not because of an inherent characteristic of the cargo, but because of its economic value to the sanctioned country. So we think about Iran and the restrictions that are in place on the export of Iranian crude oil. That is a measure that is in place to restrict the flow of outward capital into Iran. And because the cargoes are selected on the basis of their economic value, you need to understand all of the different restrictions that are in place because they will vary from one country to another. Having dealt with those four factors, the other thing that you need to ensure is that you have the support of your bank and your insurers in order that you can trade in your ordinary course. And in addition, you need to be confident that your contracts are effective. The biggest challenge when it comes to managing the sanctions risks is that this is an area in which the law evolves rapidly and in response to political developments. Therefore, it's vital that your business has access to prompt, clear and decisive legal advice. If we can help you in any way to navigate your way through this complex area, please do get in touch. We'd love to help.